Okay, tell me what happened yesterday at daycare.
I pulled the fire alarm and there was no fire, and I checked the place, and even the fire trucks, and I've been a bad boy, and Mom got me punished, and I couldn't play with my friends, and I pushed some stuff over the shelves, and I climbed on a shelf, and I was standing on it. And in the playground, the teacher said if I will not push, and I said it, and then she won't let me play. But she said if I say it, then she would let me play. And I said it, and she won't let me play. And
Today was good?
And today was good. And I've been very good.
Okay, good for you.
What? What?
Good for you.
What?